Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and I'm in the middle of doing a repair, and I found myself needing to actually replace a board here for an X9D Plus 2019 transmitter. And so it turns out that I've got the opportunity to replace the board and also replace the screen. And since we now order these separately, I figured I'd just show you guys a video on how this is going to be done. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the screen and let me show you, kind of give you a hint as to how this is hopefully going to come out and look. Now this is not the same board, but the layout will be pretty similar. So the way this is going to go on, okay, so here's going to be where the screen sits. And because the ribbon is on the bottom here, the screen's actually going to sit like this and then pull in this way. Okay, so let me just show you how that's going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our flux pen. I'm sorry, the mat here is not any cleaner, but I have an X9D and a million little parts all over the place here, so really stuck. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and tin our pieces here, and this is going to be our backlights. Okay, so let's do that. And remember now, we've got these lines right here, so we're going to place the board just like this, and it's going to fall right inside those slots there, just like that. Okay, and then just to make sure we protect the screen, don't scratch it or anything, so lay that down flat. All right, and we're going to make sure that we come back on this side here where those pieces are now poking through, and we are going to go ahead and get that knocked out real quick. All right, so now that that's on there, I'm going to go ahead and tack one side down. So what we're going to do is we're just going to very quickly give us some solder right there, and that one's done. All right, now we're going to go on to the other side, make sure that everything lines up like it does. It should, at least. There we go. Lay that down. Tack another side down very quickly, and there we go. That's done. All right, it doesn't take much solder to do this. Now we can just go ahead and finish the process. So just do it very quick. These are very susceptible, very sensitive to heat. These very tiny pads on the screen itself for the backlight. All right, and we're done. All right, and that's it. The screen is now on. It's fastened properly. We can move this out of the way. Oops, put it over here. And then we will basically just pop this on in. So it goes like it's supposed to go right there. Okay, and you're done. And there it is. So you now have the screen and the board put together. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stop the video here because there's going to be a bunch of things I'm going to go over on this. Try to help you guys if you're trying to repair your own X9D. But for now, that's going to be it. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, please. And have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.